Okay, good morning again. This is going to be lesson 26. This is our first problem. The problem says 1/2 divided by 3. So in my brain, I'm thinking, okay, I have a half. If I take that half and I divide it into 3 parts, each part is going to be what of that whole fraction? I know it's not going to be more than a whole, my answer, because I only have a half to start with, right? So if you only have a half to start with and you're breaking it up into 3 parts, each part is going to be what of the fraction? That's what we're going to figure out. So I am going to show you my picture. This is going to be 1 whole, but I don't have a whole, I have a half. So I'm going to show that I have 1/2. Okay, everybody sees that. I'm going to take that half that I have and I'm going to break it up into 3 parts. Okay, go back to what I said before. If you take a half and you divide it into 3 parts, each part is. That's the answer we're looking for. So we want to know what this part is. Each part is. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to tell me how many parts 1/2 is out of the entire whole. So technically, even though I don't have this, this is how many out of the whole. Your answer is going to be 3/6. Why? Because you have 1, 2, 3 out of how many 6 altogether in that whole? So it's 3/6. You could write 3/6 in unit form like this. You're going to take 3/6 because that's what equals a half, and you're going to divide it by 3. Let me tell you what I just said. 3/6 is also equal to 1/2, correct? 1/2 also equals 3/6. They're equivalent. So I just rewrote 3/6, okay, in unit form, and now I'm going to divide it by 3. Well, what is 3 divided by 3? 1, and my unit is 1/6. There's your answer. Go back to what I said before. You're taking a half, you're dividing it into 3 parts. Each part is 1/6. This is the part we're looking for. That is 1/6, okay? We're going to do this one really quick. I have 1/3. Okay, I'm going to show a whole. I'm going to break it up into thirds. I am taking my 1/3 and I am breaking it up into 2 parts. Okay, here's my 1/3. I am breaking my 1/3 up into 2 parts. Okay, 1/3 is also equal to, well, how many parts do you have here? 2 out of how many? 2, 4, 6. 2/6. Okay, so I technically in unit form have 2/6 divided by 2. Well, what's 2 divided by 2? 1, and my unit is 1/6. So my answer is 1/6.